For my last example in all of these, I'm going to do product rule example 2. I have b of x times d of x. In my example, this means that I have 3 to the power of x times the natural log of x. I chose to put these together because I knew that there was going to be multiple natural logs using the a to the power of e rule. So the first thing I did was I defined b of x and d of x and their derivatives. So for b of x, the actual equation is just 3 to the power of x. Then I use the a to the power of e rule, which says that the derivative is going to be a to the power of e times the natural log of a. So a in this example is going to be 3, so it's going to be 3 to the power of x times the natural log of 3, and that's my derivative. Then over here, I just have d of x is equal to the natural log of x. I have it memorized that the derivative of the natural log is going to be 1 divided by x. I just have that memorized because we've done this example quite a few times. So yeah. Then once I have all this, I'm going to use the product rule that I used in the past example, and I'm going to solve it out. It doesn't matter which ones I add first. It just matters that I multiply a non-derivative by a derivative and then add from there. So what I did was h prime of x is equal to 3 of x times 1 over x, which is b of x times d prime of x, plus the natural log of x times 3 to the power of x times the natural log of 3. So that's b prime x times d of x. I can't simplify this any more than it already is, but I can simplify this. So I do have a fraction multiplied by a non-fraction, but I can make it one fraction by putting 3 to the power of x over 1. So I do that over here. I put 3 to the power of x over 1 and multiply across. Since it's 3 to the power of x times 1 and x times 1, I can just, combine that together. There's nothing I can do with it. None of them are like terms. Even though I have 2 natural logs, they're natural logs of 2 different numbers, there's nothing I can do. So I end up with my final derivative after simplifying this part being 3 to the power of x over x plus the natural log of x times 3 to the power of x times the natural log of 3. And that's my final derivative.